It's a keeper! Get in! It's actually 17 inches. Yours was 1.7. What was it, 1.74 or something?
I think so, yeah.
And this is?
I'm not scared, I know I've still got the record.
Get in! That's my personal best of a brand new rod as well. Come on, get me in, get me in! Hi, latest episode of Fishing Impossible UK. Just finished work, throw my fishing gear on. What's that? New logo, new gear? Yes please. Oh, corner. The odds are it's going to rain, but you got to take the risk if you want to catch the fish, so let's do it. There he is, big man.
See where that landed?
I've not gone too far out with that because I'm just trying to get the bass, which are usually in the shallows. I mean, I'm no expert, that's what I've heard.
This is the smooth down rod, is it?
Hopefully get a bit further with it.
Remember to loosen your clutch, because you do pull it off the rod rest.
Go to planning, now you close the book. Who is to know what's waiting? I know
What?
you're scared, but understand.
Oh, I've run out of line.
Go away.
Last week when we went fishing on the one where I fell on the rocks on the last episode, and we didn't get it on camera, but when we cast it out, the boat drove through my line and caught it in its propellers. So my reel just started like going out. I had to get my scissors and cut the line, and I've just cast it out now and look at this. Just run out of line. Rookie error on my half. Basically what I did was, like I said, the boat ran through my line and it was taking my line out dead fast, and I had no option but to cut the line. So I cut the line, and with going back to work and all that, I forgot to put fresh line on my reel. So what I'm going to do is, like, this weekend I'm just going to take whatever line is on that reel like left, which is okay for now. So I can just cast out and go for like shallower fish, bass, flatfish, stuff like that. But it's no good if I want to use it, you know, to cast far for bigger fish like ray fish or smooth hands or anything like that. So that's definitely going to have to get changed. So luckily the other reel's perfectly fine. So I'll just rotate them around and put the other reel on me 15-foot rod so I can cast further. Basically just get out deeper for hopefully a smooth hound tonight, and that's it. Bear in mind, when you are fishing for like bigger fish like smooth hound, you have to loosen the clutch on the reel, so if it does grab it, you know, it's got line to take. So another reason why you need plenty of line. Obviously that may sound like amateur, but I am only still a beginner despite what you've seen on, you know, the 8 videos that we've already posted. We are getting better, we're developing and we're learning, and that's a simple mistake that I will never make again. So yeah, bear that in mind when you go fishing yourself. Mate, that line's well slack.
You gonna leave it in?
Yeah, slack line.
Is it on?
Yeah.
What, it's working?
Yeah, let's have a look. Yep. My rod's just knocked and my line's gone really slack, so...
It was the springtime, she made you fall to the ground, and I wasn't sure about how I felt until she turned around, and I could have sworn that it was love at first sight. No way, I'm just delusional. She'd have your tongue tied hoped that I wouldn't just be another score on the board. But I couldn't help myself, I shot pulled in and sent back out to sea. I'd have stayed, all I needed was for you to tell me to not go away.
And the bass gets it!
She's got it all. She's a wanted woman now.
Nice one.
It's not a record breaker, but it's my personal best for a bass.
She's got it all. She's a wanted woman now, but for how long I can wait forever, baby.
What's that? Pound?
There she is. Get it!
Give
That's
it
my personal best. Off my brand new rod as well. Come on, get me in, get me in. Look at that.
let me get back a bit. Give it a wash.
Mate, I might lose it.
You won't.
Get in there.
Be careful because you might just lose it all.
I mean, we've got to weigh it, haven't we?
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Let's measure it to see if it's 16 inches. I don't
Okay.
think it is, but we'll have a look. You can edit that out. Right. Come down, bring it in. So, it's over 16 inches. It's a keeper! Get in. Zoom in for the, it's actually 17 inches. So it's a good inch in that. That's coming home. We got ourselves another catch it, cook it, eat it. Get in. And I'm weighing it. Right. I'm not convinced that this is gonna knock me dad off. It's got potential for second spot. We're gonna try it. Alright, so Charlie's, my brother's was 1.33 pounds. Yours was 1.7, what was it, 1.74 or
I
something?
think so, yeah.
And this is,
I'm not scared. I know I've still got the record.
£2 what?
£2.15. Are you kidding?
250, get in, record breaker!
Mine was well bigger than that.
Yeah, but mine's more meaty, baby. That's what she said.
I'm
Well,
just
well
not
done.
good enough.
Yeah, well, happy with that. Should we go on then?
Is that a cut?
I'm just not good enough.
Right, we just had a little debate, like in case it was like there was a fault. Secondly, I just want to mention that was caught on black lug with squid wrap around it. So, come on, Max. 213. 1 second. Not having that. Trying to do me out of a .2. Right, so there you go. Three times it's been at, well, 216. I'll take it. What bait have you got on it?
Ragman.
What's that? Fishing Impossible UK merchandise.
Oh no.
Bass?
I don't know what it is.
That's a weird ass fish. That's not a bass.
No, it's not a bass. Is it a bream?
I have no idea.
It looks like they call it a black bream, but they have like little black stripes hanging down, but it could be bream, I think. I don't know.
What about them spines on the back? What do you reckon them spines?
It's not going to kill you, just pick it up like a bass.
Alright, 1 second. Yeah, hold that a little.
Oh, it is. It's a bream. See the black markings? It's called a black bream.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hey! I think we're going to have to set a new record, ladies and gentlemen. Right. It's caught 2 hooks.
Is that a pedal?
Yeah. I feel like I just want to set a record for a bream.
He's getting on my nerves.
Right.
This is the black bream.
Hey! Alright, look at that. How can you tell it's a bream?
See them black markings, stripes coming down the side?
What, here?
No, look where your finger are.
Oh yeah, like here.
Yeah.
Yeah. No way. Bream. This is the first bream I've ever caught.
Any of us have ever caught.
I didn't even know you could get them here, but there you go. It's quite a nice size. I'm going to quickly weigh it and then put it back. You can't eat these, can you?
It's too small, just put it back. Why do you have to eat everything? What's the matter with you?
I'm starving. Alright.
£1.2.
£1.2. There we have it. The bream. The record's set £1.2. We're going to put it back. I wouldn't say it was a baby like. I'm happy with it. There you go. Comes with a receipt. In case you want to take it back. Swam away. So what's that? My record bass, my record bream. That's entertainment for your Fishing Impossible UK. Let's have it. What have you caught?
Nothing.
Hey!
Get it on. Pouting.
Hey! Pouting. On the ragworm, on the flapper. 3 in one night, I'll take it.
3-0.
I knew it was only a baby because them other knocks, that bream and the bass, they were proper knocks. This was just a small knock. I seen it go like 3 times. The knocks were like spaced out 5 minutes. I was waiting. I thought, bring it in. We got it. Nice little pouting.
Little barbel.
That's how you know. Hey, gets in there. Right, put it back, shall we? And it's about 11 o'clock now at night. Got work tomorrow. It's been a result, well worth it. I'm gonna cook that bass up tomorrow after work. Eat it, whack it in this vid. It's unlikely we'll catch anything else now. I'm going to put this rod away and leave me 15 footer out because that's got a squid and black lugworm on it. Hopefully that might catch something before we go home. So if not, you'll see me tomorrow when we're cooking the bass up. And if we do, we'll whack it in. Right, here we are, as promised. Gonna fillet the fish now, and obviously then cook it. This is the second time I filleted a bass. Hopefully it'll be better than the last time. I've had a couple of tips off a few subscribers. Ian Lacohi, you know who you are. He pretty much just said, like, in the last video my knife just wasn't sharp enough, so he recommended just sharpen my knife. Unfortunately, I haven't got the knife sharpener yet. I've ordered one, it just hasn't arrived in time. I wasn't expecting to catch another bass, to be honest. So I've got a secondary knife. I had another tip off Neil Etheridge, but he pretty much just said, remove the head, because last time I left it on. So I've also done my own research, and I found a video on YouTube called Fishermans for Fishing, I think it was, and they did a good demonstration of how to fillet a bass, so we're going to try and replicate that now. And basically he removed all the guts and the head at the same time, which makes it easier to fillet. I've already descaled this and I bled it at the beach on a day of catching, so we're just going to try and fillet it now. Before I start cutting this fish, I just want to say that the UK law is that you can pull out a sea bass and take it home as long as it exceeds 42 centimeters, which is also just over 16 inches. This, as you can see, is 17 inches. The one in our last video also exceeded 16 inches. So we are sticking to the rules for anyone concerned about that. Hopefully this will be sharp enough. If not, we have got a second blade. Like I say, I have ordered a knife sharpener, it just hasn't arrived yet. So what we're going to do is start from the bottom of the fish. This is to remove the guts.
Straight down. Applying pressure up to the head. Okay.
Or is it underneath the wing? Maybe it's underneath the wing. Yeah, I think that's it. Yep. Being careful not to go into the guts. I've lifted the wing. That's why you need a sharp knife.
The head, guts, they all come out as one.
Right, so we've got rid of the guts. Now, apparently you turn it where the head was, applying pressure, but apparently we're only going down to where this line is on the bass.
Put stain on top of the spine, put applying pressure. Okay, seems to be working.
I mean, I'm trying to stay on as much as possible. Then, when you get to where the belly is, you go straight through. Keeping the knife tensioned as much as possible to come out where that
belly is. And now, trying to keep as much meat as possible, but keeping it on top of the spine.
Right, I just salvaged that actually. Ooh. There's a lot more meat on that than there was on the last one. So I guess it's just the same. That's what's left. I mean, if anyone knows where I'm going wrong or how to help me out, let me know. I feel like I've got most. I'm sure that ribcage is not meant to be there. I don't know. Either way, I'm pretty happy with that. Right, there they are, filleted. That's a baking tray just to put it into perspective of, you know, the size of the fillets. So I'm pretty happy with them, to be honest. Like, compared to the last one I did, they're pretty decent. Alright, the meat isn't, you know, restaurant clean, but when you're eating it, does it matter? Does it matter? I don't know. I don't think it will. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. Not bad for a second attempt. We're going to cook them up. I'm sure they're going to taste good, so yeah, it can only get better, really. So, not gonna lie, I have been accused of being slightly nuts a few times in my life, but the measurement of nuts is because I like to do things that aren't by the book. Then I suppose I am slightly nuts. I just want to taste what bass is going to be like on the barbecue. So although it is raining, we're just going to have one anyway and see how it tastes. For the channel, you got to do these things. Yeah, like, why have you got to do things by the book? Why are barbecues got to be in the sun? Why can't they be in the rain? Like, who made the rules up? So yeah, this is the fish anyway. We're just going to do what we think might taste nice. So we've got a few seasonings, a bit of salt, a bit of pepper. What else have we got? A bit of chili powder, because we like spice. You're not supposed to put chili powder on fish. Why he said that? Because on Fishing Impossible, we do.
Nothing's impossible.
Bit of garlic. Hey, we like garlic, don't we?
We love garlic. You saw in the last video.
Some chili flakes. Right.
Trying to be a bit healthy, so that's what the fry light's for.
Although I just doused it, so does that counteract it?
Yeah,
I don't know.
it's better
Probably.
than oil, I suppose.
So same again.
Salt. Chili powder. Garlic. Crushed chilies. Right. Oh yeah. Alright.
So we've got the barbecue going. That'll probably take about, what, 20 minutes, something like that. Gonna let the flames die down as you do. Hopefully the rain might stay off with any luck, but we've got precautions just in case it did spit a minute ago. The reason I'm doing it on a barbecue is because in the last video you've seen how we cooked that. It tasted delicious. I have tasted bass just plain in a frying pan. It is nice, but I like food and I like to spice it up a bit. So I have no idea what that's going to taste like. I've just randomly selected them out the cupboard a minute ago, them seasonings and spices, but we like them flavours. A couple of cheeky vodka and cokes, and yeah, we'll show you what it's like when we start cooking in a minute. Diet Coke. I mean, I feel that looks good, to be fair. Got some asparagus. We just put them straight on just to start softening up. I know what everyone's thinking. How do I know what everyone's thinking? Because I'm thinking it. Them coals just aren't white enough. That's just a bit of halloumi, a little taster. This isn't like a meal, this is just food. Oh, hello, you've seen them before. And I bought these because I just thought a bit of extra fish. While I was in there, I had a look how much bass was in the shop. The bass was like £4 for 2 fillets. And I'm not even joking, they were like half the size of that. So anyone who wants to try and penalise it for being a small bass, go to the shop and have a look how small the fillets are. Just put a bit of garlic salt on the asparagus and it smells absolutely divine.
I'm going to have to try one.
Good?
So good.
Better with the garlic or worse?
Better. You know what we're like, we love garlic. Garlic all day, every day.
little tip, when you do halloumi, do it nice and thick. Too thin, it's too chewy in the middle, so do it nice and thick, so it's soft in the middle. Skin's off, but we're going to keep it on.
Oh, look at that halloumi. It's coming along nicely, look at that.
Damn!
It's because those coals are getting really hot now. Left them alone to do their own business. It does taste a bit different.
Why?
It's reduced fat way.
Reduce fat.
But it's still amazing. I've been on a diet all week, it tastes insane.
Oh my god.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wow. Mate, just rotated the mackerel again. Done, as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, it only needs warming up a little
Yeah,
bit, doesn't it?
yeah. I mean, you can eat it cold, so like I say, it ain't a meal, we're just picking asparagus. You want to use a knife and fork?
No. Use the hand.
There's no
Make
bones in
animals.
it, is there?
No.
This is the mackerel.
I love mackerel. Wow.
Oh my god. You know how mackerel tastes, but
Smoked
mackerel on a barbecue. Bit of skin. Mackerel skin.
Tastes like bacon.
Got to say though, bass skin.
Isn't as good as...
No, it is better
Do you reckon?
than mackerel
Oh,
skin.
sorry. That's what I thought you were saying. The other way round.
Oh my god. So juicy.
At the perfect time. Do you know what? I think mackerel is probably one of the tastiest fish.
Yeah. You know what, actually? We got to go and catch some mackerel. If anyone knows any tips how to catch mackerel, where to go, what sort of waters do you like, what bait do you like, leave a comment. In fact, that Ian, the subscriber, left a comment, was saying use mackerel to practice filleting.
Oh really? It's probably quite easy then.
So, do you know how to, you know, catch them? Because we will, and we'll eat them. Bang them.
Mine's gone.
Right, we're gonna go for it now. Chili garlic bass. Hopefully it'll be nice. We have made slits in the skin, by the way. We need to try and judge 5 minutes.
Oh wow, that smells insane.
Does that? It's made a nice noise as well. It's making all the right noises. And it smells absolutely fantastic. That white at the bottom indicates it's ready for flipping, in a sense. It's cooked underneath. These are ready for rotation.
Wowzers.
I think it might be black.
Oh, yeah.
Slightly overdone, but I suppose the skin can take the impact on it. And if it's not nice, we can peel it off.
Yeah, I forget that obviously barbecues you can't change the temperature, can you? So
That means that we're just going to do 3 minutes the other side.
yeah.
Unfortunately, we burnt the skin, but quick lesson learnt, only do it for 2 minutes the other side, and we can peel that skin off. Like I say, the skin took the impact big time, but it's cooked it through. We can peel the skin off if it's too nasty, but I got a feeling it's going to taste good.
We need to
Asparagus is done, and that fish we're going to take off in 1 minute. So there you have it. We've rescued it. Asparagus.
And it's perfect. It's like falling apart.
Bit char grilled, but I suppose that's what barbecue is, isn't it? I mean, what are we looking for?
Ooh. Spicy.
Looks the part.
It's insane.
Smells the part. Oh my god, it's spicy. That barbecue, you can taste the barbecue. That's delicious. I was afraid that skin was gonna be too much. Oh my god. But unbelievable. It almost. I don't like eating fish. It's like you're instantly met with spice. Instantly.
It is very spicy.
It's very spicy. But then
We did put a lot of chili.
I can taste. That's the bone in it. The fish flavour comes through last.
It does, yeah.
So you have like spice, chili, garlic, and then the fish goes bang. And then you're left with like a barbecue-y taste after that. Do you know what this is? This is a summer meal. This has got a summer feel. A summer meal for the summer feel. And on that note, you know how it goes. I've got to eat the rest of this. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next ones, because there's plenty more coming.
Record breaker! Mine was well bigger than that.
Yeah, mine's more meaty, baby. That's what she said.
Well done. Oh, it is. Oh, it's a bream. See the black man? It's got a black bream.
Is it?
Yeah.
We've got to set a new record, baby. Not gonna lie, I have been accused of being slightly nuts a few times in my life. Is your measurement of nuts is because I like to do things that aren't by the book? I suppose I am slightly nuts. Get it, record breaker!
Mine was well bigger than that.
Yeah, but mine's more meaty, baby. That's what she said.
Oh, well done.
Right, well, I feel that. Should we go on then?